This time we have a very special topic assigned by AAVP. Our topic is about the highest oxygen producing potentiality of plants. Now the question arises that why we have chosen this topic only. We had many options for our topic. Then why we felt it important? One reason for which we have chosen this topic is that we are told from our childhood that plants are very important for us as they provide us with food, medicine, shelter, and many more things. But the most important and essential thing that is given by plants is the oxygen. So, as oxygen is given by plants, it is considered as the most important thing in our life. One more reason for which we have chosen this topic is that during the COVID period, we have seen that many people were suffering and also died because of the lack of oxygen. So we started this project so that we can know that this plant produces more oxygen so that we can plant those and our environment can become healthy again. Next, we come to our hypothesis part. Number one is that highest oxygen producing plant species are present in the residential area more. Number two is that more oxygen producing plants causes less prevalence of respiratory diseases. Number three is that efficiency of oxygen releasing plant species is enhanced during the daytime than at night. Next, we come to our system analysis. The constant are water and time, and the variable are the plant area for survey, that is the industrial and residential area, and weather. Next is the work plan of our project. That is, we have read some research papers. Then we have done the bubble experiment both at the day and the night. Next, we have done the survey in the industrial and the residential area. Next, we have observed the symptom of hypoxemia disease of the people we have surveyed. Next, we have made some herbarium of the highest oxygen producing plants. So now, we came to the method of our project. So first we have read some research paper and known about the plants and also about textbook. So we have done the bubble experiment as shown in figure number 1. So the apparatus that we have used while doing this experiment is beaker, funnel and test tube. As we have shown here, first we have filled the beaker with water and then inserted the plant species that we want to test inside the funnel and inserted it in the beaker. After that, we filled the test tube with water up to the rim and covered the mouth of the funnel. And after that, for 1 minute, we have observed the bubbles that appeared inside the test tube. And in such way, we have taken 5 readings. Next, for proving that oxygen is produced in the test tube, we have burned the splinter and found the difference between the time duration of the burning of splinter with the absence of oxygen and with the absence of atmospheric gas. As we know that oxygen helps in burning. Next, with the help of our bubble experiment data, we have visited our survey area, that is industrial area and residential area, and observed the number of plant species available there and also the symptoms of the hypoxemia disease. Is that the people are affected or not? After that, we have listed our data analysis of our survey. Here are the photographs shown. In the first photograph, it is our industrial area showing the cement factory. Next, here we are avoiding the people to plant those species that we got after doing the bubble. And here is our residential area. And next, this is the photo of the plant species where by seeing the picture you can see that how the plants are badly affected with the effect of dust. Next, here is the observation. First, we have observed the number of oxygen producing plants are very less in the industrial area compared to the residential. Next, in the residential area, the number of not only plants, also the highest oxygen producing plants are very much. Next, the dust and environment condition of industrial area also resulted in the affection of the disease of the plants. Next, in the residential area, we have got around 5 or 6 highest oxygen producing plants available in each home. Next, in the industrial area, due to the ecosystem condition, the people are really affected with the symptoms of hypoxemia disease. Next, when we read the fire in the splinter with the absence of oxygen, we have seen that it is burned for
around 19 seconds, and where, with the absence of atmospheric gas, it is burned only for 4. Next, the people of residential area are less affected with the disease. They are affected with the disease like diabetes, which is not related with their ecosystem. And here is our data analysis. In the first data of the day bubble, here we have presented around 10 highest oxygen producing plants. Like the first plants include bamboo, and the number of bubbles it is given is around 160 and the average include 32. Next is banyan tree. The number of bubbles it is given is 178 and the average include 35.6 and many more. And here is the data for night bubble experiment. The first plant we have given here is and the number of bubbles it produces 84 and the average includes 42. Next, the Japanese sedge. It is actually the scientific name of the white rubber plant. And the number of bubbles it is 165 and the average number is 82.5. Next, we are having a presentation of data analysis. Like here, by seeing the graphical
6 minutes finished, continue.
In the first stage, endless produce highest oxygen. And if data of our night experiment, like stage, endless methi, pepper, butter, they have produced highest oxygen. Next, here is our data. Here, around 5 highest oxygen producing plants in night and in day. And at last, we came to the conclusion that as last year, we have seen that the people were really affected with the COVID-19. At that time, around 5% of people were affected